Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So yes, as the title suggests, today I'm going to show you my morning skincare routine and also a very quick and easy recipe, so stay tuned for that. So in the morning, first I use this face wash from Himalaya. It is the neem purifying face wash, and it actually helps to fight acne as it contains neem. So yes, and you are supposed to use the face wash that is good for your skin. So mine is acne prone skin these days, so I'm using this face wash. Then wash it off. Now for the serum, I'm applying this Body Shop Drops of Light serum. I got this from my friend. By the way, my friend just came from USA. She got me a whole range of this Body Shop serum and cream and everything. So I'm so happy for that. And yes, here I am letting the serum gets absorbed into my skin. Then I am taking the cream from the same range. It is the day cream. So yes, I am just massaging it all over my face. Also, to hydrate my lips, I am using this again, the Body Shop lip balm. Again, this is a really very nice lip balm. After doing all the morning ritual, I just go ahead and make coffee for myself and for my husband, obviously, but this is mine. So we both actually have this black coffee every morning. So yes. So my coffee is ready. Here I am making my dinner, and for dinner I am using mixed dal. I'm preparing mixed dal in Dhaba style, and for that I have taken oil in the pan, and then I have added jeera, some hing and some onions, and here I am just sauteing the onions into the pan until it turns golden brown. You need to stir it occasionally. Then here I am adding some tomatoes. These are finely chopped tomatoes. And here I am adding green chili, some ginger, red chili powder, dhania powder, jeera powder and some salt. Also I have added turmeric to it. And here I am allowing all the masalas to get cooked. Cook the masalas in a very low flame. This is a really very nice recipe, by the way, because you get all the different types of dals and all the vitamins and minerals and nutrients from all the different type of dals. Yes, so after all the masalas are cooked, here I am adding again some chopped tomatoes and some garlic paste. So I have actually added the garlic paste at this point because I want a really strong flavor of garlic. Now after those tomatoes gets mushy, I am adding the dal which I have already boiled before. Let me know if you want to see the detailed recipe of this dal. I'll surely show it to you. And here I have added some garam masala and some salt. Also I added amchur powder. And now for the tadka, I have taken 2 tablespoons of ghee, some jeera, and then I am adding these red chilies, whole red chilies, and some red chili powder for some extra color. Yes, I have poured the tadka here, and now I am just going to cover the lid so that it gets absorbed, all the flavors gets absorbed very nicely. So this is how the dal looks like. You can also go ahead and garnish it with coriander leaves.